Hi guys, how are you? I hope everybody is fine. Today I'm going to show you a list of earn money from online. If you are a beginner and want to earn money from online, this video is specially for you because in this video I gonna to show you how you can earn money from online, and you will get a list from me. So let's start. At first, no risk matched betting. It's a very easiest way to earn money from online. But you can think risks or no risks in this system. Next, online service. You can also earn money from online by doing a paid service. And next time I will upload every single videos for every topic you will get if you check my channel, and you will stay in my channel. Paid for searching the web. If you want to know something, you do Google. Okay, but Google does not pay you. But if you search anything on the web, you will be paid. Okay, I will show you next video how you can earn from this way. Online market trading, forex trading. Online marketing like that for forex trading, especially forex trading. Okay. Next, start your own website. If you want to make your website and earn money from online, you can do it. You can earn money from your website by many ways. Google AdSense and any advertisement company, and many ways. You can sell your own products on your website. Review websites apps for cash. You will get some websites like that. You can review any websites and any apps for cash. You can earn a little money, but if you continue, you will get a good amount of money if you stay and get paid to sites. PTC sites, paid to click, like that. And it's combined online service and PTC sites like that, get paid to site. Here you can get a offer like that, sign up offer, video sharing offer, like that. Online service and PTC sites, get paid to sites, GPT sites. And write and publish a Kindle ebook. If you a writer and want to write book but you can't publish offline, if online is very easy way to publish your book, and you can earn from your book. Okay. Next, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you will sell any company's products by any ways, but you have to sell on online. And you will get a commission from the company when you will sell any products. It is affiliate marketing, and you can earn a lot of money by doing affiliate marketing. And next time I will show you what is affiliate marketing concept, and how you can earn from affiliate marketing. And next, micro job. Micro job means a simple little task like that, a sign up task, share video share task, a comment task, Facebook friend request, and YouTube subscribe, channel subscribe, comment under the videos, and comment blog post, like that's a simple little jobs. And you can earn a good amount of money by if you work in Microsoft sites. And review music for money. And you also can earn by reviewing any music of any artist. Buy and sell domain names, it's very interesting business. Buy and sell domain, uh, I will make a video especially buy and sell domains, and you can earn from it easily. Nothing, you don't have anything, you don't have to do anything from this way. Sell your own education. If you're a teacher, if you're a lecturer, you can sell your education online. If you maintain a mathematics, accounting, any subjects, you can sell your education on online. Sell your photos, it's very interesting way. You capture your photos and sell online, very easy and interesting. And freelance job, if you have a qualification about, or you are a experienced man about web design, graphics design, web development, or app development, anything you can do in freelance job. Here a client hire you to do finish their jobs. Okay, next, YouTube videos. You can also earn from YouTube by uploading your own videos. You can't upload copyright videos, another guy's videos. You have to upload your own videos. Next, network marketing, and it's just last. Network marketing means MLM marketing, multi-level marketing. I hope you know about MLM marketing offline, and same things in online. It is called network marketing. Okay, I hope you understood, and you are introduced about the ways of for earning from online. And in next videos I will show you any single videos I will upload about those topics. And advance welcome for my next video. Please stay with my channel, you will get more and more best videos if you are beginner and wants to earn money from online. Okay guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.